Oh, that boy shine. Look at them teeth. Hey, pearly. What's up, y'all? It's your boy Black Wheel XS. Black Wheel XS. And I'm back with a good video this time, man. So today, I'm showing you guys a review and how my new AC works. It's out of my 1964 Chevy Impala 4-door sedan. Oh, it's been a while, it's been a long time, and I finally got it in and got everything situated, and it worked perfect. It worked better than this car. Nah, just joking. Yeah, probably so. But let's get to it. This is my setup. Got my compressor right here. As you can see, I got a belt going around a pulley to the balancer, back around to the water pump. I had to get rid of my fan because it wouldn't work, but I got this, so, and I got custom mounts to it, you know, right here. So these here are my controls, and I had to cut this fiber wall out, and the guy rewelded this up for me and painted over. Should've did the whole thing like that. These are my AC hoses. Of course, the blue, cold, red, hot, duh. So yes, this is the setup here. Got a nice little bracket hooked up to it. Also for I had to get a custom bracket for my alternator because the belt kept squeaking, and kind of found out the bolt that sit off in here, right there, it was broken in half in there, so it wasn't secured. So I had to get it drilled back out, and we made this custom bracket, put it there, and look at it. It's not going nowhere. I'm shaking the car. This compressor is nice too. It's not going nowhere either. But yeah, see that? That paint came out real good too. So let me show y'all the inside and how it works. So these are my controls. As you can see, I got a big hole right here because I got rid of the old AC unit compartment. In the meantime, just gonna try to get something custom made right here, I guess. I thought they were yelling at me. In the meantime, get something custom made right here. That way I can hide like all my wires. Eventually I'm gonna get like a center console, I guess. That way all the wires can be hidden. So, show y'all how this thing works. I'm gonna get rid of this once I get my aftermarket gauges and dashboard. Oh. Okay. What's the word? There you go. So these are the simple controls, all right? It's a 3-speed. It's the Venice air setup. So you got the AC here, hot, and also I got the defrost, and yes, the defrost works. Only thing about this, since this car is so old, you gotta have the AC. You gotta run the AC first to get rid of all the foggy within the windows, but it works perfect. So my AC is on right now. Listen, you hear the kick down. So I got 3 vents. I got the original vents. Look to it, and yes, they do blow. Let me get like a sheet of paper or something. So it's on speed 1, so it's not gonna work. Oh, you know what? I can use this. So turn it up high. it's blowing. It's blowing. The bottom works down here too. See that? It's the bottom for your feet. And then I got this one. So this is the AC. Turn it off, and then it's my heat. And it get warms. I love it. I got the whole unit down here. It's very nice. See how the holes run? The black holes, they run into my original factory vents. These are the vents. So do a walk around. Oh. Running good. So yeah, that's it for this video. I appreciate y'all for watching. It is the vintage air setup that I got with the car. It costs, I think this kit, this is the top of the line kit. This is the one that costs $1,600. It costs $1,600. This kit costs $1,600. There's a little bit more, but I don't want to say the price because I had to get a lot of custom brackets and stuff with it, so I don't want to say the price. But you get the basic standard kit, the top of the line vintage air, it's $1,600, and I love it. I drive down the road, everything is sealed off in the front, as you can see, with the hose going in there. There's no other air coming in the car besides the rubber seal on my window that I need to fix. But besides that, and she's running smooth, she's running nice and mean. I like it. I love the AC now. So now all throughout the year I'm around my windows up no matter what. Windows are gonna stay up. So yeah, that'll be it for this video.